Hello everyone, Antoinette here. Well, just recently I purchased and received this miniature dollhouse from Amazon. In my early 20s, I discovered the wonderful world of miniature collecting, and in the past 25 years, I've owned about 4 different miniature houses, which I've sold or donated for one reason or another. On YouTube, I recently discovered this dollhouse, and as luck would have it, it was available on Amazon on sale, and I had about $75 worth of gift cards, which I was able to use. So I ended up paying under $122 for this dollhouse. I'm excited to take you on the journey of building this dollhouse, furnishing it, decorating it, including for Christmas, and how I will upgrade it over time. This will all be done over the course of several videos. I hope you enjoy it. This video is part of a collaboration called This Is My Thing Challenge, where we are invited to do a video showcasing whatever we wish. And I'm so happy to share with you how my new miniature dollhouse is put together. The host of this challenge is Maria at Yetra Creations, and the co-hosts are Deborah Cabassa, Kiki DIYs, and Daysi DIY. I hope you will watch the playlist, which is linked in my description box, to see everyone's creation. So I've moved this dollhouse box up to the family room, laid out the boxes on my coffee table, and then as per the directions, my husband and I took out all the parts and laid them out on the floor. So you can see here what the pieces look like, and you will see throughout this video how I change up some of the floor finishes and some of the wallpaper finishes in this dollhouse. Some of them are not quite to my liking, and so I will change them around. So here are the front stairs, and I love this front door, and the windows and the moldings and trim around the windows I think are gorgeous. And then here are the stairs, which are in brown, which I think I will eventually paint out to white just to lighten and brighten up the look of the dollhouse a little bit. And so here's the roof and all the other pieces, and here's the mess. Now I'm taking this material here that came with the dollhouse. I've covered the coffee table with it to protect my coffee table, and my husband will actually be the one putting the dollhouse together while I change out some of the floor and wall finishes. So at this point, I was already so excited. And all we have here are the stairs and the base of the house. And this here is the kitchen floor. I don't particularly like the color of it. So what I have done is decided to print off this miniature floor finish in wood, and I've done that on cardstock, and I've taken my Mod Podge. Now I could have used any glue really for this because I don't do anything with the surface of the floor that I've used. But because I have Mod Podge, I thought I would just go ahead, put a good layer of Mod Podge and place my floor right on top. And I think it looks so much better. And so here, the house is starting to come along. Some of the walls have been put up. I love this wood floor, so that's definitely staying. And I will be keeping, I think, that kitchen wall, but that blue and purple wall will definitely be changed out. This is the loft. I have decided to go ahead and use that same flooring and put it on the walls of the loft, and I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. So here we have even more in place here, more walls put in, which hubby has put together for me. It's coming along really, really nicely. There's the basketball game in the background. And so it's looking great so far. This is the outside. I love it. It does look a little girly, I know, but I will definitely try to, over time, make it look more realistic and make it look more sort of adult looking. And I just love the windows and the door. Here I'm covering the ceilings of the house with this white contact paper. Very simple to do. Anyone who has used contact paper knows that it's quite simple once you get it started off properly. Just taking my little precision cutter there, cutting all along, and that's what it looks like. So that will be my ceiling of one floor. And I did purchase this white contact paper for, I think, $1.25 at Dollarama. My husband continues to put the dollhouse together. Now we're already putting up the roof. And the roof for my husband, there was a couple of spots on the roof that my husband said was the hardest. But definitely not difficult. And he said this really was quite an easy dollhouse to put together. You can see on that landing there, I've also used that same flooring. And in this room, which is intended to be the bathroom, I will be turning into a girl's room, and I will be changing out the floor and walls on that. Now here we go for the full reveal. This is how it looks on the outside. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Oh, I'm just so happy. I really love this dollhouse. I will be probably putting in some shutters over time, some window boxes with flowers. I will be putting 2 beautiful light fixtures on each side of the door. And depending on the season, I will put down grass or snow or whatever. And you can see these little holes where the screws are put in all throughout the house. I will be plugging those up with the plugs that are provided with the dollhouse. So now let's turn around and go inside the house. Here we go. This is the inside of the house. It will change over time, and I will bring you along as I change it. So here is our loft, which I am actually going to be decorating as a bathroom. I love the walls. I'm so happy I decided to change them out. And then the room, again, that's intended to be a bathroom, will be a girl's bedroom, and I will be putting in new wallpaper, beautiful window coverings, definitely a new floor, not liking that floor whatsoever. I will be painting the stairs white as I indicated. I've already put a mirror up on the wall. I just couldn't wait. I got too excited. So there are the other stairs that I will be painting white. But for now, I've just placed them in to give you an idea of what it looks like. And that's the bedroom there. Then downstairs, in a moment, there'll be better lighting, but here I'm showing you what the living room looks like. There we go. You can see, again, I got excited and put some things up on the wall already, the little clock and the mirror, but I do like the wood paneling, the wood floors. Again, those holes will be plugged up with the plugs that are provided. A little dining room table will be going here, sort of in front of the front doorway. I decided to keep the walls in the kitchen, and I'm going to see if I like it once I have the kitchen cabinets and appliances put in. I think I'm going to go all white, and that's why I think these walls will work. So this is the dollhouse all done up. Again, I'm so happy with it. I know it's intended for children, but I am going to make it very adult looking and put in my beautiful, expensive miniature furniture that I've collected over time. And I hope you'll enjoy the journey with me as I take you along.